Hey guys, how you doing? Just under this Jeep Wrangler, and it had the weirdest noise. Every time it would go over a bump, it would make a noise. I ended up seeing exactly what was going on. There's a spring here, right about there. If you see, that spring there was making all the noise. Every time the car would rock and go side to side or over bumps, it would make an excessively loud noise. So there's the transmission there. It comes out, there's a shaft that comes out to a spring that hooks onto the body, and that spring was absolutely creaking and making tons and tons of noise. So before you get too crazy, just would be one thing to just check out. If you're under the driver's side seat, just attached to the transmission, there's that spring. What I did is just lubricate it, and the noise went away. So hopefully this helps you. If you have any feedback, you're more than welcome to send me a post. Leave any comments if you feel like you have anything else to add to it. Thank you.